ZW3D 2026 introduces revolutionary enhancements to the sheet metal module, including the convert to sheet metal feature for instant transformation of complex solids or third-party sheet metal parts into editable sheet metal designs. Additionally, the new vent feature streamlines the creation of diverse ventilation patterns with automated fillets and drafts, significantly boosting design freedom and efficiency. Convert solid to sheet metal. First, open the part to be converted and activate the convert to sheet metal feature. Second, select the stationary face. Then, define bends by manually selecting edges or using the Collect All Bends option. ZW3D 2026 introduces sub-tap buttons for quick access to configure relevant parameters, such as thickness, bend radius, rip. Next, define rip space on the design requirement. Finally, enable the Preserve Stamp Forming option to retain critical stamped features during conversion. Click OK and generate the sheet metal. Third-party sheet metal conversion. Also, sheet metal conversion function is suitable for third-party sheet metal model. Parametric vent function. First, open the model containing a sketch outlining the vent shape and activate the vent feature. Then, select the target face for the vent placement. Next, define parameters for each rib group, such as thickness, width, and configure enclosed boundary regions as needed. Finally, set fillet and draft parameters, then click OK to generate the vent feature. In ZW3D 2026, the innovative convert to sheet metal and vent features dramatically reduce repetitive tasks, accelerate complex design workflows, and deliver a seamless, intuitive user experience for sheet metal design.